Okay guys, so this is called the Thrive Skin. You have Peel, Reduce, and Restore. So this is made with CBD, which is very healing for the skin, especially non-synthetically generated. It's pretty amazing. So you can see my skin here. I have a couple little like zits and such, and so I'm going to do this product for a couple days just to show you, but it's pretty amazing. I do what this sticker is, in case you're wondering, is it's wearable vitamins. So I wear this all day and I have no nutritional gaps in between. So it gives me all day energy, clarity, focus, you name it. I feel it. It's great. Really good. If anybody ever wants to know about it, just hit me up. All right, so I'm going to do the first one. And this one is the Peel. Okay. So what it tells you to do is just barely like pat your face, a little wet. Like that, okay? Now the reason it's called the Peel is for this, literally, watch this. You guys will be amazed. Okay, so I'm gonna put a little here. I'm gonna put it here. Put it here. Put it up here. Now, when I roll this, my fingers right now, all the dead skin cells, all the dead skin is going to come right off, completely killing all those free radicals and everything, all the toxins that are on the face. We have toxins on our body, which is called a leaky gut, and we have product that helps with that. We also have toxins on our face that causes a whole slew of problems in the skin, like acne, rosacea, all sorts of different ones. So when I rub this, look at that. Even look at even my hands. Even my fingers, they're getting the treatment. But yeah, you can't really see with this camera, but all these, now you can see, all these balls of dead skin are coming off. It's amazing. So, oh, there you go. Now you can see. Isn't that amazing? All right, so now I'm going to rinse my face off. Refreshing. You can see how clean it is. Oh my gosh, if you feel this, it feels like a baby's bum. It's amazing. I say that because I have 2 kids under 5, so we used to feel that all the time when they were young, but oh my gosh, it's so smooth. Wow. Okay. I'm just getting a towel, sorry. Now you're just going to pat just a little bit. Just like that. We're going to put this one away. Now, the next one. This one is the Infinite CBD Correcting Serum. Okay? So this one is the Reduces. This one, it now starts rebuilding new skin and allowing the skin to build new cells. So it's rejuvenated and new, and this helps with anti-aging and wrinkles, fine lines, dark spots. And that one you just leave on. You don't wash it off. Just kind of like pat it. Look at that nose. It was filled with like black and dirt. It's like brand new. Shiny nose. Shiny nose, like the Rudolph the Red-Nosed Reindeer. Yeah, just kidding. You gotta have fun. All right. I didn't mention too, this actually has B12, so this is the energy I've had since 5 a.m. 5 a.m. I got this energy now. So yeah, it's awesome. All right, so now we're going to go to our last step. This is your moisturizer. This isn't like any other moisturizer though. This is premium grade ingredients, all organic formulated for all skin types. So there are no irritations on certain skin types. Haven't ever had a client tell me otherwise. So I am going to put about a dime size. That's it. So, anyone that wants to order this, I'm going to put my link, and you can follow that link and get free shipping this weekend. So normally, this is going to run you $329 for the 3, but we are dropping the price to $150 plus free shipping. So it's pretty incredible. Yeah, if you look at anything like something maybe with like top brands like Neiman Marcus and Chanel and different stuff like that, they have skin product, but nothing like this. I have not found anything like this. This is an amazing thing. I'm just using it first time on my face. I actually used it on my hands. My hands were all like cracked and they're like new again, so I feel really great. So, thank you so much for watching me and seeing this video. Please subscribe to this channel as I will be releasing new videos as we have so many products and services for people to look and feel their best. Thank you and have a beautiful day.